Hey traders, let me ask you a real question. Have you ever blown an account, closed your laptop, and just sat there in silence, feeling completely empty? That's heavy feeling on your chest, the knot in your stomach, thinking, why doesn't any strategy ever work for me? I have been there more than I can count. And if you are watching this right now, I know you have been there too. For years, I was the ultimate strategy over. I was desperate. Every week, I was searching for the next best strategy. I will watch this YouTube video where the trader makes everything look so clean and easy. That's 80% winded strategy, perfect entries. They would show me a few cherry picked trades and I would feel in this insane rush of hope. My heart would beat faster. I would think, this is it. This time I am finally going to make it. I will watch the entire video, take detailed notes, and feel like I had just been handed the Holy Grail. Then I will do the same stupid thing every single time. I will jump straight into the live market with real money. At first, it feels amazing. Maybe I will win the first trade or two. The dopamine hit was unreal. I would feel smart. I would feel like I had finally figured it out. But then reality would hit like a train. I will take a loss, then another, then a third one in a row. My hand would start shaking. That familiar sick feeling would crawl up my throat. Doubt was quietly sitting in my back of my mind would explode into full-blown panic. Is this strategy broken? Or did I miss something? And why am I so bad at this? And instead of stepping back, I will do what so many of us do. I will blame the strategy, close the chart in the anger, and go right back to the YouTube to find next secret system that will finally save me. The cycle was brutal. I lost count of how many accounts I blew, but it wasn't just the money. It was the emotional destruction that hurt the most. I would stay up until 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning, replaying trades in my head, full of regret. I felt like a total failure. Friends and family would casually ask, how is the trading going? And I would force a smile while dying inside. And I started avoiding people. I felt ashamed. I questioned my own intelligence. I wonder if I was just not cut out for this. The constant roller coaster of hope, followed by crushing disappointment, slowly broke my confidence and my spirit. Some night I felt genuinely depressed. I had sacrificed so much time and energy and money, and I had nothing to show for it except pain and self-doubt. If you are feeling that same pain right now, the frustration, the shame, the exhaustion, I want you to know you are not alone. I made this video for you. The turning point came when I finally stopped lying to myself. I realized it wasn't just strategy that were the problem. I was the problem. My mentality was the problem. I had no real process, no data, no emotional control, and I was gambling with fancy names. So I made a decision. I stopped chasing and started building. After years of struggle, I created a fully mechanical trading strategy called MS-SNR. Market structure combined with precise support and resistance rules. No more guessing, no more subjectivity, and it feels right decision. Everything is clearly defined with strict repeatable rules. I poured everything into it. I defined exact trading times, crystal clear buyers rules using market structure and specific zones, realistic target, and strict confirmation triggers. I removed almost all the emotion from the decision making process. The full detailed breakdown is in my MS-SNR Masterclass playlist on my YouTube channel. I didn't hold anything back. I showed every rules, every filter, exactly how I analyzed the charts. But building the strategy was only half the battle. The real work was validating it. I spent months backtesting hundreds of trades over multiple years. I forced myself to sit through every single setup exactly as the rules said. Even when it was painful, I tracked win rate, risk reward, drawdown, everything. For the first time in my trading journey, I actually had real data instead of hope. And yes, the strategy had losses, big drawdowns periods. But because I had already lived through them on the backtest, I wasn't shocked when they appeared live. I know they were normal. This is where everything changed for me. I finally understood random distribution. Even the best strategy don't give you wins in a straight line. You can have a great system and still lose 5 to 7 trades in a row. And that's normal. But when you don't understand that, those losing streaks destroy you mentally. You abandon the strategy right before it starts working again. Because I had the data, I could stay calm during the real periods. I didn't panic. I didn't hope to the next shiny video. I trusted the process I had built. And slowly, something beautiful started happening. My account began to grow, not in some crazy get rich quick way, but in steady, consistent manner. For the first time, I felt peace while trading. The emotional pain that used to cross me every week started to fade. I wasn't waking up anxious about the market anymore. I had confidence because I had done the work. And looking back, I wish I could go back and tell my younger self what I know now. You don't need 50 different strategies. You need one complete, well defined mechanical system that you deeply understand and have validated yourself. You need a clear rules for time, bias, location, targets, and confirmation. You need to backtest it properly. Minimum 100 to 200 trades over at least 1 year. And most importantly, you need to prepare your mind for the drawdowns. That's exactly what MS-SNR gave me. It's not perfect. No strategy is perfect. But it's mine. I built it through blood, sweat, and tears. And because it's mechanical, I can follow it even when my emotions are screaming at me to do something stupid. If you are tired of endless cycle, the hope, the excitement, the devastating losses, the self-hate, and the late night full of regret, then I encourage you to do something different. Stop searching for the next strategy. Either build your own mechanical system with strict rules or deeply study one that already proven and complete. Do the work hard of backtesting, fill the drawdown on paper first so they don't destroy you live. Train your mind to trust the math instead of your emotion. If you don't want to spend years doing what I did, I have already done the hard work for you. Go check out the MS-SNR Masterclass playlist on my YouTube channel. I break down the entire system in detail. Rules, example, backtesting, and everything. I'm not here to tell you the false hope. I'm here to tell you the truth I wish someone had told me years ago. Trading is hard, emotionally painful. But if you are willing to do the real work, defining rules, validating them, and building the mental strength, it can change your life. I went from frustrated account blowing strategy hopper who felt worthless to a consistent, confident trader who actually trusts his process. You can do the same. If this video hit you in the heart, if you are tired of pain and ready to change, drop a comment below. Tell me how many strategies you have tried. Tell me where you are at right now. I read every single comment. You are not alone in this struggle and you don't have to stay stuck. If you are serious, start with MS-SNR Masterclass playlist. Take it seriously, do the work. I believe in you. You have already taken the hardest step. Now it's time to do something different. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Let's turn this pain into progress.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.